Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to unbox this Bburago 124 scale Lamborghini Countach LPI 804. So let's open it. So I already removed the bubble wrap and that other stuff. So just have to open the box and unscrew it from the base. So let's start it. So I'm going to remove the tape from this side. So here we go, guys. So here it is with the base Bburago logo, Lamborghini Countach LPI 804 written here, beautiful cherry red color. So let's unscrew it from the base. So here it is, guys. I have removed it from the base. So as you know, I like 124 scale models, mostly from Bburago's, because I like the color they use and the details they give. They are nice. So here is the next model, Lamborghini Countach LPI 804. So you can see the detailing, you can see the vents, beautiful Countach typical wheels. So as you can see, as I rotating the wheel, the caliper stays and disc is also moving with the wheel, you can see. So that's a good detailing, like a real life car. Also nice shape to the tail. You can see the detailed lens tail lamps. You can see the Countach written here. Again, full name, exhaust, quad exhaust, 4 exhaust tips. All the metal, obviously it's a metal car, so metal body, plastic base, but it's a good quality plastic. You can see again Bburago written here, Lamborghini Countach, the holes for the screws, 124 scale. Again for this body and base screws. Let's check the front. You can see the beautiful detailed logo of Lamborghini, lensed headlights, very nice, good detailed front splitter is nice, very well detailed. This area you can see Countach written here inside, nice. Some details to the sides, typical style of wheel arches of Countach, you can see good side mirrors, little bit carbon finish, carbon fiber finish to the side mirror. You can see very beautiful interior. So it's also got openable doors, so scissor doors, you can see. This one also opens, obviously. Wow, look at that, beautiful casting, beautiful interior. You can see pink color interior, not pink, different color, very well detailed interior. You can see the middle section, steering wheel. They also got some glove box details here. You can see the mirror inside. Let's check from the other side. You can see very well beautiful detailed steering wheel. Again the gear levers and gear shifters. You can see the dashboard, some vents for the AC, some bits and pieces in between the middle section. You can see here this part, again very well detailed here. Also some details on here for the vents of AC vents. Obviously it's a plastic hole, but very well detailed. Again check the doors. You can see the details on the doors, some details here, nice details. Wow, clips perfectly. You can see the details here, nice details, nice paint job. Also some details here inside the vehicle. Nice. Different type of color to this part. It's orange color. Yeah. Ignition button, start button here. Special like a fighter jet, specialty of Lamborghini. Fuel cap. I think this the engine cover looks like it's openable, but it's not. It's a different part. You can see the gap between the cover, and also makes some loose sound like it's a connected. It's a removable, but it's not. I'm not going to force it. It is what it is. Again, the front looks like it's gonna open, but it's not. It's same as a rear, different part. You can see, and also makes some sound. You can see. Looks like they have fixed it later, but I'm not going to force it. So some details on the here. Again, nice windshield, wiper details. They are rubber. I'm not going to force it. I think they are rubber, made up of rubber. Nice on the top, details on the top. Beautiful color. Also, this one comes with in a white color, but I prefer this one. Looks more realistic. Again, logo on the wheel cap, but obviously it's not that detailed, very small one. Again, something written here, LP 804 written here, LPI. Nice detailed vehicle. Again, vents for the engine, nice one. Let's check the rear end. You can see Lamborghini written here, very well detailed rear end. Little bit wider wheels than front, not that much difference, but it is what it is. Wow, look at that rear end, beautiful. And also it got a steering wheels turn, but they comes back in a straight position, in a straight line. So here we go. Not that much, but little bit turning radius it got. You can see from the top. See, not that much, but it is okay for 124 scale car. Very good detailing. Now obviously it's a rubber tire. It got rubber tires, as you can see, and rolls very smooth. Wow, very smooth flow. So guys, there it is, Lamborghini Countach LPI 804 from Bburago, obviously 124 scale. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Please watch my previous videos of unboxing of 124 scale and other Hot Wheels stuff. Please like, share and subscribe, and please comment your favorite, and keep hunting. Be safe out there. Thanks for watching. Bye.